What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a protein shake. It's my favorite protein shake that I use like when I'm having a hard time getting in my calories for the day. So it is a higher calorie protein shake. It's almost 700 calories. So I'm going to make sure to add the MyFitnessPal, like the breakdown of the calories and everything in it on the screen here. So that way you guys can see everything that's in it, the amounts and everything like that. I'm going to show you the full recipe. So if you guys struggle with getting your food in, if you're trying to gain muscle in the gym, if you're working out and just having a hard time like eating a lot, then this is perfect for you. You could have like this twice a day. You could have it for breakfast. You could have it for like an afternoon snack. Whatever works best for you. But with all that being said, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's just jump right into the recipe. So I have everything entered into MyFitnessPal, and I'm going to pull that up, and then I'm going to leave it here on the screen so you can see like the exact calories and portions that I use. I'll be showing you also in the video, but that way you can see the exact. Hopefully that will focus. So that's everything that I'm going to be using. Oatmeal, almond milk, banana, frozen. Make sure you freeze the banana before you make this. 2 scoops of protein powder. I use the Orgain vanilla, frozen strawberries, and 1 serving of peanut butter. So that's everything. So I'm going to get all the ingredients out and then show you guys everything that I do. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys each ingredient. These are my oats. They're just plain quick oats. You can get them wherever. I get them at Aldi's. This is the protein that I use. And in the description bar, I always leave a link to, like, I think it's a 30% off of the protein. So I think you can get this for like $21 on their website, and it's either free shipping or the shipping's not that expensive. So that is an affiliate link, so thank you if you use that. Frozen bananas, like I said, I just get like a bunch of bananas and wait till they get like more ripe or whatever, like with the black spots on them, so they're like a lot sweeter. Don't freeze them when they're like still green. So I just put them all in a bag. And then this is the strawberries that I get. I always get a big bag. I don't always get the whole strawberry. Sometimes, like whatever they have at the store if they're out. But I do like the sliced ones too. They're the same thing pretty much, literally just frozen strawberries. Those I prefer instead of getting actual like fresh strawberries and freezing them. I prefer those. I don't know what it is, but there's like a difference in the taste. This is the peanut butter that I use. You can use whatever peanut butter you want. I also like Simply Jif. Sometimes I'll use that. Silk unsweetened vanilla almond milk. That's the one I always use. And I did get my measuring cups out, so I do like exact portions. And for this, make sure you don't have to have the huge. I have a Ninja and I have just some different attachments, but I have the big one because this is like a bigger shake. But if you just have like a taller one, it'll fit fine. I just want to make sure like everything fits and blends up. And then if you make like bigger portions or for 2 people or whatever, just double the recipe and use one of these. You can use your big blender or whatever, and then you can pour it into your cups. So let's get started on the recipe. And I did get my scale out. Forgot the name. I got my scale out because on the peanut butter I want to make sure that I get like the exact amount. It's 32 grams, so it's easier to do it with the scale than with the little tablespoon, like the measuring tablespoon thing, because it's hard to like get all the scoop out. So it's easier just to weigh that out. So I'll show you how I do that. I'll just weigh all my stuff out when I'm doing it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my cup of strawberries in. So I'm just gonna grab my 1 cup measuring cup. Make sure, if it's over like that, that's good, because that way you know you're getting them all. Okay, so I got that. I don't know, like a different angle, but I'm not sure what. For the banana, the amount that I put in my Fitness Pal was 126 grams, which is about like roughly 1 medium-sized banana. So I'm going to put that on the scale also. So since I already have this on here, I'm going to make sure I zero it out so it starts at 0 right away. Okay, and then like my scale says it's in ounces right now, so make sure that you have that on grams. And I'm going to just start putting that in. 56 grams, 101 grams. I'm just going to break like a half of a half. Okay, 121 grams. So that's close enough. It's only 5 grams off. So frozen strawberries, frozen bananas are in. And then I always like to add the liquid before I add like the powder and stuff. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of the almond milk. Okay, so we have that in there, and then I'm gonna do my 2 scoops of protein. And this is the vanilla bean, that's what it's called. So in case you're looking on the website for it, they also have it at GNC, and then they price match Amazon, so whatever Amazon price is, you can also get it there. I know Amazon's more than the actual Orgain website though. Okay, and then I have my oats, and then I do half a cup of those. So put that in. And then I have my camera on the peanut butter, so what I'm gonna, okay, that, I don't know where to set this one up at, so I'm just going to, I'm just gonna set it right here and then just show you guys me putting it in. Okay, so that's 10 grams, and a serving of this is 32 grams. Okay, so I'm at 29, so I'm almost there. Okay. So here's what everything looks like in there. It doesn't look like enough milk, but it's because I usually don't put it in this huge container. I just thought it would be easier to do it for the video. I think I got everything. So I'm gonna blend this up now. Okay, so I just took it off, and when I make it, this is exactly what it looks like. This is like the color, how it looks and everything. So I'm putting it in here without spilling anything. And the reason that it's so thick is because everything is from frozen, and that's how I like it. Because if you don't like it like that, if you like it runny, then that's cool too. Just don't freeze the stuff. But then here is your protein shake, and it's almost 700 calories, so it's like definitely a huge meal. Like, I know a lot of people would say like just having just like the protein and then almond milk as a meal replacement. No, I don't think that's good. That's not like a whole meal's worth, because that's literally 150 calories. And like, not saying that you have to have like a 700 calorie meal every time, but if you actually want like a meal replacement, or like to get in extra meals, if you're trying to like gain muscle, put on muscle, this would be perfect for you. This is just what I do, so totally up to you if you want to get this or try it. There's some extra at the bottom. I'm gonna try to get out of there once it gets a little more liquidy. So then I'm just gonna have this with a straw because I don't really like to just drink it out of the container. But I'm telling you, if you have had like the strawberry and banana one before, add the peanut butter and the oats to it. It is a game changer. It's so good. I literally love this recipe. Like, it's my favorite, 10 out of 10. Okay, so that was everything. That was my whole recipe, and I will make sure to leave the macros and everything, and I can put the recipe in the description box, so if you just want to like look it over, screenshot it or whatever. So I'm just gonna go enjoy this, and then I think I'm gonna go work out in a little bit after I have this. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.